Yes, so during his first visit to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah held a number of meetings with officials to assess the security scenario in the state, review preparations for the Amarnath Ji Yatra, and provide good governance in the state. He also interacted with a representative group of sarpanches from the state to gain an insight into the current state of functioning of panchayats in the state. During the visit, the Union Home Minister also visited the home of the martyred Inspector of J&K Police, late Shri Arshad Khan, and met his family members. The meetings in Srinagar were attended by the Honorable Governor and a large number of officials from various organizations and the central and state governments. In the review of development programs, the focus was on improving the lives of the common man. The entire discussion centered over people-centric development in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The review covered a wide range of issues connected with improving the economic condition of the people in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, providing them with employment and livelihood opportunities, providing them the benefit of social security schemes, and raising their incomes. The review included, among others, good governance, accelerating development, strengthening the panchayat and municipal system, fast-tracking the implementation of the Prime Minister's development package, building first-rate infrastructure, promoting inclusive growth for all communities, promoting balanced regional development with special emphasis on employment generation, and finally reaching out to the youth of the state. The Union Home Minister's focus was primarily on ensuring that the benefits of growth and development reach the poorest of the poor. I repeat, to ensure that the benefits of development reach the poorest of the poor. He asked the state government to focus on better and more efficient implementation of development schemes so that corruption and leakages are plugged and citizens get the intended benefits. After a very detailed review and a presentation in which all the officials who were present in the room spoke, the Home Minister gave a large number of directions on many issues, a few of which were covered yesterday, but most of them were not covered yesterday in the press briefing. The Home Minister directed that the state government should ensure that old age, disability and widow pensions reach all those entitled to these in a timely manner. There should be a quick scrutiny of all eligible people who are left out and ensure that they are included. The central government will ensure additional funds are provided so that all those who are eligible for old age, widow and disability pension get their due benefit. The Home Minister also directed that the dairy and animal husbandry sector, which has great potential in the state, be promoted. He directed that the state should work towards signing an MOU with Amul or Mother Dairy and create a program for ensuring that Jammu and Kashmir becomes surplus in this sector. This is a sector whose benefits would flow even to small households. He also mentioned that the poultry sector has great potential, with the state already importing large volumes of poultry products. The state should create schemes for improving the poultry sector, as this sector improves livelihoods of the poorest. The central government would support efforts in this direction. The handloom and handicraft sector is one of the brightest spots on Jammu and Kashmir's economic landscape. The potential in this has not been fully captured. He directed that the state should take help of the Khadi and Village Industries, MSME and Textiles departments of the central government to improve nearly 40 various spheres in this sector.